Labup Kids Learning.
Welcome back to Labup Kids Learning. Today we will learn numbers from 41 to 70. Let's get started.
42.
42. This is number 42.
46.
46. This is number 46.
45.
45. This is number 45.
47.
47. This is number 47.
44.
44. This is number 44.
41.
41. This is number 41.
43.
43. This is number 43.
49.
49. This is number 49.
50.
50. This is number 50.
48.
48. This is number 48.
53.
53. This is number 53.
54.
54. This is number 54.
55.
55. This is number 55.
57.
57. This is number 57.
58.
58. This is number 58.
56.
56. This is number 56.
60.
60. This is number 60.
59.
59. This is number 59.
52.
52. This is number 52.
51.
51. This is number 51.
61.
61. This is number 61.
64.
64. This is number 64.
62.
62. This is number 62.
63.
63. This is number 63.
67.
67. 67. This is number 67.
65.
65. This is number 65.
68.
68. This is number 68.
66.
66. This is number 66.
70.
70. This is number 70.
69.
69. This is number 69.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.